Miles, Miles, let me see your jersey. Let me see your jersey.
Stand there.
But stand there, so
Go stand there.
stand there.
We can take a photo of you. Full. Okay, go back.
Ah, baby.
Come, you wear your white one, then take photo as well. Come,
Yes, that's a nice jersey.
Hey, which team is that one? You looking nice.
That's Juventus. And how old are you now, Miles? How old are you, Miles?
5.
You're 5. It's your birthday today?
Yes.
Where is baby? Oh, baby's. Wait, Miles. Yes, baby, pose for us. Turn around. Turn around. Oh, you can stop spinning around. Nice dress, baby. Nice dress. Oh, let me see your Zach Levine jersey. Go. You're too close.
Okay.
Yeah. Miles, you're jumping too much. I cannot.
Jump.
Wait, baby. I'm trying to make a video, baby.
look at the screen. Don't look
What are you doing, baby?
Baby's doing homework.
Oops. Baby, what are you doing, baby?
Wait, baby's taking photo. Okay. Look at the camera, baby. Look at it. Yours is here. Look at the camera. That's for the new guest coming. Whoever is coming next, okay? For your friend.
The name is Mines. My friend is Mines.
Your friend is?
Mines.
Okay.
Your friend is...
Baby, I've seen what you're doing. Can you type on your laptop? Do your homework. Let me fix this for you. Do your homework now. Do your homework. I'm fixing this for you.
Happy birthday, dear Mines. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? Why?
5. Say 5.
How old are you now? Happy birthday, dear Mines. Happy birthday to you.
I blow your candle. Oh, that was fine. Clap for mine. No, yes, look at Spider-Man. Now how will you cut the cake?
Oh, we got there.
Okay.
And take tell Bob.
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. Okay, you cut together. Hold it. Oops, it's falling, guys. It's falling. Wait, hold it. Wait. Okay, baby to cut. Like this. Okay, baby, hold. Baby has cut.
Don't cut the spider.
No, we're not cutting the spider. Hey,
Cutting the spider.
Hey.
Don't cut the spider.
Like enough.
That's enough. But people need to eat the cake. Hmm? You don't want us to cut the
Can you bring me that candle so people can see?
your candle number 5?
So people can see how How old you are now?
This candle number.
Yeah,
Hold
that
number
candle.
That's how. No, hold 5 properly.
Ah,
Can
that's
you hold 5 properly?
flip it on the yeah. How old are you now?
Hey, baby, I've
You're
done.
5.
I'm 5 years old.
Even you're 5.
Who else is 5 here? Baby, are you 5? Who is? Oops.
This one
Who's 5 again?
is me. This one is 5.
Another Miles is also 5.
Yeah.
Both every Miles is 5, right?
I've struggled. Baby! Okay, bring I open for you, Miles. Bring me.
Thank you for watching my video. Goodbye.